let's explore one other part of the console. As of right now, all the messages that you've sent have been sent to everybody that's using the app. That's because we use this user segment target. But what if I want to send a notification to a specific user? In the console, I could select single device. But now it's asking me for something called a FCM registration token. An FCM registration token is a string of numbers and characters that is used to uniquely identify a device. It's generated when the app first starts and changes, say, if you uninstall and reinstall the app. The FCM server can use these unique tokens to send messages to specific devices. So let's see how you actually find out what the FCM registration token is for your device. There's actually pretty clear online documentation about how to do this. If I scroll down, the first step is to create a service that extends from Firebase Instance ID service. Like all Android components, the service needs to be registered in the manifest. Now, to be able to catch the event when a token is generated for your device, it's important that you have this intent filter here. It has the action Instance ID event. And after extending this service and adding it to the manifest, the only other real thing that you need to do is implement this onTokenRefresh method. And this method is part of the Firebase Instance ID service class. Functionally, you can do a couple different things when this method's called. But for you just want to know what that token is, so you can actually print it out in a log. For my Firebase Instance ID service class, I made a new folder called FCM and saved it there. In this class, I simply have a onTokenRefresh method, which then prints out the token. I then also have a useless sendRegistrationToServer method, which I won't be doing anything with in this lesson, but you can read the comments to see what it would be used for. I'm going to go ahead and run my app. And then here in the logs, I can see that I've generated an Instance ID token. Okay, so I'm going to copy this token, and then I'm going to paste it here in the console. I'll enter some message text, and I'll go ahead and send the message. And we can see that I just got this message. Okay, now you can do this yourself. Go ahead and generate the unique token for your device using a Firebase Instance ID service class. Print that token out to the logs, and then use it to send an FCM message just to your device. When you're done, enter the FCM registration token as part of the next quiz.